Alright, welcome back to Hundley TA. It is Friday and we are back. And we're seeing some just more sideways movement here with Bitcoin. There's this nice little trade that I barely missed. I saw it come down and hit the zone, and I thought, man, I wish I was ready with a buy order there. Because this support zone's held up pretty nicely for the past week or so. And it just exited in profit this morning if I would have gotten into it. So yeah, that's a bummer, but we'll keep watching it. I'm sure it could come back down and test the zone once again at some point. So excuse me. Looks like if you were willing, you could even have took a short here at this resistance zone up here. But I'm kind of in the side that Bitcoin's gonna go up and eventually break this resistance zone here. So I'm kind of apprehensive to do any kind of shorting on Bitcoin. But yeah, we'll see. Ethereum is having a little bit of a harder time than Bitcoin. For some reason, it's just struggling with this downtrend here. You can see it's just every time it hits it, it's immediately pushed back down. So yeah, I don't know if we'll see. It'd probably take Bitcoin breaking its resistance zone for Ethereum to do the same here with its trend. So I'll have to keep watching it. And I did get into this ONT trade yesterday. This is like the first kind of trade I'm playing with doing on the daily chart, because this zone's so massive. I thought it'd work on daily's time frame, and it looked like this latest candle did close above the zone, so it already did come back and retest it with this wick. And yeah, it's a pretty big profit target because the zone's so big. I had to place a stop way down here, but we'll watch it for the next week or so, see if we can get something with it. And then we have TRX. I like this one because the zones seem pretty cut and dry to me anyway, and it's a pretty big gainer today. Hoping it'll break above this this zone here. We're actually on the daily, so that's even, yeah, so maybe this works more on like a 4-hour daily chart or something. Yeah, I mean it'll be a little bit unless it has a massive move up like it did here to break this resistance zone. It'll probably take, you know, like I said, Bitcoin doing the same to do that. But anyway, on to Forex Euro AUD. This one is about to be stopped out, I think. Yeah, I just think the bearish pressure is too much. It's gonna probably drop beneath the support zone, and yeah, if it does, then you know that's a opportunity for a break and retest on the sell side. So we'll look at that as positively as we can. AUD JPY. This one's still in profits, but for some reason it's just struggling to make a higher high. I mean, this wick did go above that one, but you know, it just doesn't have that momentum there. So it's just kind of showing out for now. AUD CAD. This one did break above, but barely. Yeah, this is the 4-hour chart, so you know, it's probably enough of a break, but yeah, looking like it's struggling to stay above the zone. So maybe another one that gets stopped out here shortly. CAD CHF, it's getting close to its resistance here. Have a sell order ready for when it does. and when and if it does. But yeah, I like this one, just bouncing between these two major zones, and yeah, these ones are pretty nice because there's no crazy crossover going on. Pretty well respected, so I like that. I did take this GBP USD trade yesterday. I noticed price has been pinging between these two zones for the past couple days. Just took a quick short and exited in profits and worked out. If I was on top of it, I could have pulled into another long here and just, yeah, kept pulling trades off like that. Trying to do the same thing here with USD, but unfortunately it seems to have kind of similar price action to GBP USD, and so since that was moving down yesterday, so did this one, but I'm hopeful since it's now in the support, it'll eventually start bouncing back up. Euro JPY, this one's still just moving sideways. I may as well just take this one off my watch list for now. I'm not even in this trade, but yeah, I was just curious to see how it'd work out. And then finally we have CAD JPY. This one I'm kind of mixed on because you have this more of a middle zone that it's kind of burned me in the past to take these kind of trades, but it's also been kind of well respected as of late, so it could be a short opportunity. However, you know, something I could do if I really wanted to is to place my trade right here, but to have the actual stop go up into this zone. But that's probably just going to be too much of a profit target. Yeah. You know, if we were really feeling yeah. Yeah, that'd be kind of ridiculous, but anyway, I thought I'd just watch it, see what it does, and anyway, yeah, that's all I got today. Like the video if you liked it, and leave a comment on what you've been trading and anything you've been looking at recently. So